What if I told you that people are making an extra $1,000 to $5,000 per month using AI tools that are completely free or cost less than $20? And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or cryptocurrency nonsense. These are real, legitimate side hustles that everyday people are running right now while keeping their full-time jobs. Hey, welcome back to RoboRise. If you're new here, this channel is all about AI, tech, and practical ways to make money in this new era. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start an AI-powered side hustle from scratch, even if you have zero technical skills. By the end of this video, you'll know the top 3 AI side hustles you can start this week, the exact tools you need, and a step-by-step roadmap to get your first client or customer. So let's dive in. Why AI side hustles work in 2026. Before we jump into the specific side hustles, let's talk about why this is the perfect time to start. First, businesses are desperate for AI help. According to recent studies, over 70% of small businesses want to use AI, but don't know where to start. They need people who can bridge that gap. That's where you come in. Second, the barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need thousands of dollars in startup capital. Most of the AI tools we'll discuss today are either free or have free tiers that are more than enough to get started. Third, the timing is perfect. We're still early enough that competition isn't crazy, but late enough that the tools actually work really well. In 2023, AI tools were experimental. In 2025, they're reliable and powerful. Here's what makes this different from traditional side hustles. With AI, you can do in 1 hour what used to take 10 hours. That means you can serve more clients, charge competitive prices, and still have time for your life. You're not trading time for money in the traditional sense. You're using AI as a force multiplier. Now, I want to be completely honest with you. This isn't passive income. You will need to put in work, especially in the beginning. You'll need to learn the tools, find clients, and deliver quality work. But if you're willing to invest a few hours a week, the potential is absolutely there. Side hustle number 1, AI content writing services. Let's start with the most accessible option for beginners. AI-powered content writing. What is it? You help businesses create blog posts, social media content, email newsletters, and website copy using AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper. But here's the key. You're not just copy-pasting AI output. You're using AI to speed up research and drafting, then adding human editing, fact-checking, and optimization. Why businesses need this? Every business needs content. Whether it's a local dentist who needs blog posts for SEO, an e-commerce store that needs product descriptions, or a consultant who needs LinkedIn posts, content is always in demand. The tools you need: ChatGPT or Claude for drafting and research, Grammarly for editing and polish, a Google account for Google Docs. Step by step to get started. Step 1, pick a niche. Don't try to write for everyone. Choose an industry you understand or are interested in. Maybe it's fitness, real estate, technology, or small retail businesses. Specializing makes you more valuable. Step 2, create 3 sample pieces. Before you have clients, you need samples. Write 3 blog posts or articles in your chosen niche. Use AI to help with research and drafting, but edit heavily to make them genuinely valuable. These go in a simple portfolio. You can create a free portfolio on Google Sites or Notion. Step 3, set your pricing. As a beginner, you might charge $50 to $100 per blog post, or $15 to $30 per hour. As you gain experience and results, you can increase to $150 to $300 per post. Step 4, find your first clients. Here are 3 proven methods. 1, reach out directly to small businesses in your area or niche. Look for businesses with outdated blogs or weak social media presence. 2, join freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Yes, there's competition, but if you have good samples and communicate well, you can stand out. 3, use your personal network. Post on LinkedIn or Facebook that you're offering content writing services. Step 5, deliver incredible value. Use AI to research thoroughly, but always fact-check. Add personal insights and examples. Make sure the content is genuinely helpful, not just AI slop. Happy clients refer other clients. And that's how you build a sustainable side hustle. Realistic income expectations. In your first month, you might make $200 to $500 as you learn and find clients. By month 3, if you're consistent, you could be at $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Within 6 months, hitting $3,000 to $5,000 per month is very achievable if you treat this seriously. The pro tip: offer a content package. Instead of one-off blog posts, sell a monthly retainer. For example, 4 blog posts per month for $500. This gives you predictable income and makes planning easier. Side hustle number 2, AI graphic design and visual content. The second AI side hustle is creating visual content using AI design tools. What is it? You create logos, social media graphics, thumbnails, and marketing materials using AI-powered design tools. Even if you have zero design experience, tools like Canva with AI feature DALL-E or Adobe Firefly can help you create professional-looking designs. Why businesses need this? Small businesses and content creators constantly need graphics. Social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram stories, Facebook ads, presentation slides. The demand is endless, and most business owners either don't have time or don't have design skills. The tools you need: Canva Pro, about $13 per month, includes AI features. Midjourney or DALL-E for AI image generation. Remove.bg for background removal. Step by step to get started. Step 1, learn your tools. Spend 1 week getting comfortable with Canva and one AI image generator. Create practice designs. Watch YouTube tutorials. The learning curve is surprisingly short. Step 2, choose your service focus. You could specialize in social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, logo design, or presentation design. Pick 1 or 2 to start. Specialization makes marketing easier. Step 3, create a portfolio. Make 10 to 15 sample designs that showcase your skills. Create fake client projects if you need to. For example, design a complete social media kit for a fictional coffee shop, or create 5 YouTube thumbnail variations for different niches. Step 4, set your pricing. Social media graphics packages might be $50 to $150 for 10 custom graphics. Logo design might be $100 to $300. YouTube thumbnail design could be $20 to $50 per thumbnail, or a monthly package of 10 thumbnails for $250. Step 5, market yourself. Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for this business because they're visual platforms. Post your designs regularly. Use relevant hashtags. Engage with potential clients. You can also reach out directly to YouTubers, coaches, and small business owners who have weak visual branding. Step 6, deliver and iterate. When you get a client, over-communicate. Show them drafts, ask for feedback, and make revisions. The goal is to create raving fans who refer others. Realistic income expectations. Month 1 might bring in $300 to $600 as you build your portfolio and find initial clients. By month 3, you could be earning $1,000 to $2,500. Many people doing this part-time are making $3,000 to $6,000 per month within 6 months. The pro tip: offer social media management packages that include content creation. For example, charge $500 to $1,000 per month to create and schedule all social media graphics for a business. This turns project work into recurring revenue. Side hustle number 3, AI automation consultant. The third side hustle is becoming an AI automation consultant for small businesses. What is it? You help small businesses automate repetitive tasks using AI, tools, and no-code automation platforms. This could be automating email responses, data entry, social media posting, customer service, or appointment scheduling. Why businesses need this? Small business owners are drowning in repetitive tasks. They're manually responding to emails, copying data between spreadsheets, and posting to social media. They know automation exists, but they don't know how to set it up. You become their guide. The tools you need: Zapier or Make, formerly Integromat, for automation workflows, ChatGPT API for AI-powered responses. Step by step to get started. Step 1, learn the basics of automation. Spend 2 weeks learning Zapier or Make. Start with simple automations like, when I get an email, add it to a spreadsheet, or when someone fills out a Google form, send them an automatic email. These platforms have excellent free tutorials. Step 2. Identify common pain points. Research what small businesses struggle with. Common examples include lead follow-up, appointment reminders, social media scheduling, invoice creation, and customer support emails. Step 3. Create case studies. Build 3 to 5 automation solutions that solve real problems. For example, create an automation that takes customer inquiries from a website form, uses ChatGPT to generate a personalized response, and emails it back. Document the process and the time saved. Step 4. Set your pricing. You can charge per automation $200 to $1,000 depending on complexity, or offer monthly retainer packages, where you maintain and optimize their automations for $300 to $1,000 per month. Step 5. Find clients. Target service-based businesses like real estate agents, insurance agents, consultants, coaches, and local service providers. These businesses have tons of repetitive tasks but usually don't have IT departments. Reach out via LinkedIn, local business groups, or even in-person networking. Step 6. Deliver results and expand. Start with one simple automation to prove value. Once they see time savings, they'll want more automations. Realistic income expectations. This one takes a bit longer to ramp up because you need to learn the technical side. Month 1 might be learning with little to no income. Month 2, you might land your first client and make $500 to $1,000. By month 4 to 6, you could be earning $2,000 to $5,000 per month with just 3 to 5 clients on retainer. The pro tip: don't sell automation. Sell time savings and stress reduction. Instead of saying, "I'll build you a Zapier" workflow, say, "I'll save you 10 hours per week so you can focus on growing your business." Benefits over features always win. How to choose and get started. So now you know 3 proven AI side hustles. How do you choose which one is right for you? Ask yourself these questions. Do you enjoy writing and communicating? Go with content writing. Are you creative and visual? Choose graphic design. Do you like problem solving in systems? Try automation consulting. You can also combine them. Many successful side hustlers offer content writing and graphic design together as a complete marketing package. Here's my recommended action plan for the next 7 days. Day 1. Choose your side hustle based on your strengths and interests. Day 2 and 3, learn the core tools, watch tutorials, create practice projects, get comfortable. Day 4, create your portfolio or case studies. You need something to show potential clients. Day 5 and 6, set up your online presence. This could be as simple as a Google site, a LinkedIn profile, or a Fiverr account. Day 7, reach out to your first 10 potential clients. Send personalized messages, offer value, and be patient. The biggest mistake people make is overthinking and never starting. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be good enough to help someone and willing to learn as you go. Also, remember that authenticity matters. Don't just pump out AI-generated garbage. Use AI as a tool to enhance your work, not replace your thinking. Businesses can tell the difference between someone who cares about quality and someone who's just trying to make a quick buck. Let's recap. We covered 3 AI side hustles you can start this week: AI content writing services, AI graphic design and visual content, and AI automation consulting. The AI revolution is happening right now, and the opportunity is real. But opportunity without action is just daydreaming. So here's what I want you to do. First, pick one side hustle from this video. Just one. Don't try to do all 3 at once. Second, commit to spending 5 to 10 hours this week learning and setting up. That's less than 90 minutes per day. Third, reach out to at least 5 potential clients by the end of next week. Rejection is part of the process. You only need one yes to get started. If you found this video valuable, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We post practical AI and tech content twice a week to help you stay ahead in this rapidly changing world. Drop a comment below and let me know which side hustle you're going to start with. I read every single comment and I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more specific tutorials on any of these side hustles, let me know. I can create deep dive videos on setting up your first Zapier automation, creating killer AI-assisted content, or building a design portfolio from scratch. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is RoboRise, helping you rise with technology.